Well, yesterday I had said that I was going to go live today and finish this little spalted maple bowl that I've salvaged from my black gold spalted maple fail, where it didn't want to be held, and I finished sanding it up. I've been sanding on the inside and the outside all morning, and so now what I'm going to do is, and I'm not going to go live because Faith has a live coming on in a few minutes, and I don't want to walk over her, but I don't want to just stand here idle either. So I'm going to go ahead and record this and edit it and publish it out. But I'm going to start with the application of Axe abrasive paste. You saw that banner come up at the beginning of the video. You can go right here and look them up and then get your discount code if you would like to try something. So without further ado, let's get on with this. So this morning what I did is first thing is I sanded it back with 80 grit, and then I applied 2 coats of shellac sanding sealer, the 1 pound cut. Yeah, my famous mustard formula. Anyway, I did that, and then I added 2 coats of regular shellac, and then I cut it back with 120 grit sandpaper. So I sanded everything through 120, 150, 220, and 240. I could have gone further, but this wouldn't be much of a point because there's bug holes and other stuff in this soft maple. So, you know, this isn't going to be a real high-end glossy finish on this thing. It's going to end up being more of a utilitarian, satiny, semi-gloss kind of finish, like I did on that little Lilo bowl. But it's all good. It's all good, man. Not too bad. There's a little bit of tear out in places, even though I sanded on this for hours and hours. But it's got bug holes in it and stuff like that, and it's got that rustic look. So it's okay. You know, it's not one of my perfect, really shiny, glossy bowls, but it never was going to be. Now I'm going to apply some Howard's feeding wax to give it some more protection, because I like this stuff. It's technically not food safe, so really why are you applying it with your hands? Because if there's nothing in it, it's just going to hurt me. Really? Alright, now I will let this sit for 20 minutes and I'll come back. And when I come back, I'm going to hit it with Axe Polish and Restoring Paste. And then I'll turn it around and put it in my cold jaws, and I'll part it off and turn around, put it in the cold jaws, and finish off the bottom. Come to the polish and paste. Okay, not bad. I'm happy with it. It's going to stay like it is. So now we'll part this off and and hopefully I won't send it flying all over the shop. Now, I think I'll get my saw and cut it the rest of the way off. Make me one more small curve, put the saw blade in. Well, the bowl didn't get hurt when it hit the floor. That's good. Is that going to fit? Am I going to have it? So what do you do when the standard cold jaws are too small and the large cold jaws are too big? You use your homemade donut chuck. Like the cold jaws, you don't want to spin this real fast. 600 is about as fast as you want to go. You can make them out of plywood. I made this one out of Corian. Or if the logo's better than none, at least my name's in it. Gonna apply a little bit of shellac to the bottom, a couple of coats maybe. Alright, after that dries, I'll come back and hit it with some axe and polish and restore, or polish and restoring things. So here it is, all done and salvaged. I think it looks pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not perfect by any stretch, but it's got some really nice curl in it. It's hard to see it, but there's some really nice curl in here, and some really nice curl in here, and some chatoyance as well. There would be a lot more chatoyance if I had taken this to a glossy finish, but that's not what I wanted. This is more of a rusty gold, but man, it's got some pretty grain, some pretty figuring, and that sculpting is gorgeous. Now just imagine how much better it would look if I could have kept it that wide and that tall. But it wasn't meant to be, so that happens sometimes. The way it goes. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it again. Please like, subscribe, share. Y'all come back and see it. I don't know what I'm going to do next. You never know what's going to happen around here. I was going to do this live, but if this space was live, I didn't want to walk on it, and I didn't want to just sit around either. So I got it done, and I'll get the video up pretty quick. remember, live, laugh, love. And y'all come back.